Welcome everyone! Today, I'll be sharing the best Funding Pips discount code to help you save big on any challenges available on the website. First, to apply the discount code, you need to click the first link in the description box down below. Then, you should be taken to Funding Pips where you can create an account. Once you've created an account, you can go to the top left and click on New Challenge. Then, fill out any of the required details. And don't worry, the discount will be automatically applied if you signed up through the link provided at the end of the checkout area. And finally, finish the rest of the details such as your billing details and payment method, and enjoy the nice Funding Pips discount code. I'll be constantly updating the link provided to the best possible code available, so no matter when you watch this video, you'll be able to gain the best discount code for Funding Pips. Thanks for watching my video, enjoy the discounts, and happy trading!